Good morning, children. Now I am going to take 3rd standard social unit 1 freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu. So in this you are going to know about the freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu and to understanding their contribution in freedom movement, that is how they give up their life for the freedom fighter. A little girl dressed up as Bharatiyar comes to her mother with a certificate in her hand. So this is the picture about this lesson. So a girl coming to his mother and she is dressed up like a Bharatiyar. You know Bharatiyar, Mahakavi Subramania Bharatiyar, he is a poet. And she got a certificate in her hand. Meena, the girl name is Meena. Mom, I am so happy. I won the first prize in the fancy dress competition today. So what she told, Mom, I'm so happy. I won the first prize. She got the first prize in the fancy dress competition today. Mother, very good. I am proud of you, Meena. Mother is telling she is very proud about her daughter. Meena says, thank you. How was the Independence Day celebrated in your school? Her mother is asking. It went very well. My teachers appreciated me for my speech as Bharatiyar. So her mother is asking, for Independence Day in the schools they celebrated as fancy dress competition. So this Meena, she made as a Subramania Bharatiyar as a fancy dress. And they celebrated in a very well. Meena told, it went very well. My teachers appreciated me. Teachers appreciated how good she made a Bharatiyar for a speech as a Bharatiyar. Well done. I miss your performance as Bharatiyar. Performance means what? An act of presenting as a Bharatiyar. Ortharapati namma nadichu kattrathu is performance. Don't worry, I will enact again. What Meena told, I will enact na thiruppi na nadichu kattren. Sure, as mother said. So, you know the Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. So, Independence Day celebrated on 15th August every year. Everybody knows this, Independence Day on 15th August every year. Okay. It is to commemorate the nation's independence from the British rule on 15th August 1947. So, commemorate means to show respect to those who sacrifice their life. இல்லையா கஷ்டப்பட்டு அவங்க தங்களுடைய லைஃப்பை அரும்பாடுபட்டு இண்டிபெண்டன்ஸை பாடுபட்ட அந்த ஒரு நாளை நினைவு வச்சுக்கிறதுக்காக 15th August they celebrated as a Independence Day. And when do we celebrate the Republic Day? Republic Day will be on January 26th. Republic Day will be on January 26th January. So this also everybody knows this. Okay, now Meena enact. So what Meena told his mother, I will enact the play. She said, no, nadichu kattren. So she enact. Meena, what she is telling, I am Subramania Bharati. I am a poet and a freedom fighter of Tamil Nadu. நான் ஒரு கவிஞர், poetனா கவிஞர், பாடல்கள் எழுதுகிறோம். And freedom fighter also, சுதந்திரத்திற்காக பாடுபட்டவர்களில் ஒருவர். I was born in a village called Ettayapuram in Tuticorin district. So Bharatiyar was born in Ettayapuram in Tuticorin. Tuticorin they will say, yeah. So the Tuticorin district, Ettayapuram place, in this village he was born. I started writing poems at the age of 7. So 7 years he started writing the poem, Bharati. My poems are patriotic and it is all about the gender equality and women empowerment. So our poems ellame patriotic na சுதந்திரத்தை இது பண்ணி தான் இருக்கும். And it's all about the gender equality means ஆணும் பெண்ணும் அனைவரும் சமம்ன்ற பாடலும் நிறைய இருக்குது. அண்ட் உமன் எம்பவர்மெண்ட் பெண்கள் சக்தி வந்து மேலும் இருக்கும் அவருடைய பாடல்கள். I worked as a teacher. So Subramania Bharati's work as a teacher. Then I became the assistant editor of Swadesamitra. After that he became the editor. In which one? Swadesamitra ஒரு newspaper-க்கு he became an editor in 1904. I also met Mahatma Gandhi in 1919. So he met Mahatma Gandhi in 1919. I worked with many Tamil leaders like V.O. Chidambaram and Subramania Siva. So he met Mahatma Gandhi in 1919. He worked with many Tamil leaders like V.O. Chidambaram Pillai and Subramania Siva. And my poems Vande Mataram, Achamillai, Endayum Thayum and Jaya Bharadam motivated the people to join the freedom struggle movement. Thank you. So, Meena enacted the play. So, shall I ask the question now? What enacts Meena? What innovation put on? What is the fancy dress she wear in this? Na? Subramania Bharati. Okay. Who is the Subramania Bharati? He is a poet and a freedom fighter of Tamil Nadu. Where was he born? So, he was born in a village called Ettayapuram in Thoothukudi district. In which age he started writing the poem? At the age of 7. What about his poem? His poems are patriotic and all about the gender equality and women empowerment. And after that, what did he work as? He worked as a teacher. Then after that, he became a assistant. In which newspaper? Swadesamitra newspaper. He worked as an assistant editor. Okay, in 1904. When did he meet Mahatma Gandhi? He met Mahatma Gandhi in 1919. And he worked with many Tamil leaders. Who are the Tamil leaders worked with Subramania Bharati? V.O. Chidambaram, Subramania Siva. And what are his poems? Vande Mataram, Achamillai, Endayam Thayum and Jaya Bharatam. So what is poems motivated? Poems motivated the people to join the freedom struggle against the British. Okay, yeah. Britishers and the freedom movement, join பண்றதுக்கு he written the poems பாடல்கள். Okay mother, excellent Meena, you spoke very well. Bharati was indeed a great freedom fighter and one can't forget his contribution for the freedom struggle. So Bharatiyar is a great freedom fighter and also a contribution அவர் எவ்வளோ freedom struggleக்காக தன்னுடைய இதுவை தியாகம் பண்ணியிருக்காருன்றது we can see from this. True, I also learned about other freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu today. So, what is Meena is telling? Unmadai. She also learned about other freedom fighters. Who are the other freedom fighters? Oh, is it? Tell me what you learned. So, here a picture of Subramania Bharati is here. Okay. So, the title Bharati, a name of the goddess of knowledge. So, Bharatina, what is the meaning? The title Subramania Bharati irukku. And the Bharatikku, what is the meaning? Means a name of the goddess of knowledge. Arivukku eta kadavulukku the Bharati endra peyar was conferred upon him at the age of 11 by the court of Ettayapuram. Conferred means and the Bharati endra pattam koduthathu gratitude avarukku oru mariyadha seluthura mari a title gratitude grant a title அவருக்கு அந்த பட்டம் கொடுத்தாங்க. அட் த ஏஜ் ஆஃப் 11 வயசில் பை த கோர்ட் ஆஃப் எட்டயபுரம் கோர்ட்டு ஃபார் வாட் இஸ் எபிலிட்டி டு கம்போஸ் போயம் ஆன் எனி சப்ஜெக்ட் அட் எனி மூமெண்ட். ஸோ எந்த சப்ஜெக்டை பற்றினாலும் அவர் சப்ஜெக்ட்னா பாடல்கள் எந்த தலைப்பு கொடுத்தாலும்னு அர்த்தம். ஓகே, ஸோ இ கம்போஸ் போயம் எப்படி அந்த நிமிஷமே எந்த இதை பற்றிய தலைப்புகள் கொடுத்தாலும் ஈ வில் ரைட் த போயம்ஸ் அட் எனி மூமெண்ட் எந்த நிமிஷத்தையும். ஸோ தட்ஸ் வை தே கேவ் த டைட்டில் அஸ் அ சுப்ரமணிய பாரதி. ஸோ அட் த ஏஜ் ஆஃப் 11 இ காட் த டைட்டில் திஸ்னா அப்போ ஹவு டேலண்டட் இஸ் பார்த்துக்கோங்க. Okay, here they are given our national flag. Color our national flag. You know the national flag. What's the color? Down is the green. Here's the white and is the saffron. Green, white, saffron, and give the brown color pole and here also. So you can color it if you got the book. Okay. And now we are to see about the another one. So we are seeing the Subramania Bharati. Now one of my friends dressed up as what Meena is telling in the conversation. One of my friends dressed up as V.O. Chidambaram. Now we are going to see about the V.O. Chidambaram. So V.O. Chidambaram was called Kappalottiya Tamilan. So அவருக்கு இன்னொரு பேர் என்ன சொல்வாங்க? Kappalottiya Tamilan. ஏன் அப்படி Kappalottiya Tamilan? We will say the following conversation. Yes, he was born in Tuticorin. He was born in Tuticorin of Thoothukudi. He was a lawyer and also a good orator. So, V.O. Chidambaram is a lawyer. Lawyer na theriyum vakil. And was also a good orator. Orator na சொற்பொழிவாளர். மேடை ஏறி பேசுவது சொற்பொழிவாளர். He took part in the Indian independence movement. Like Subramanya Bharati and other freedom fighters, V.O. Chidambaram also took part in the Indian independence movement. Mother, Meena, did you know that V.O. Chidambaram started the first Indian shipping company? It was called Swadeshi Shipping Company. So, Meena's mother என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, V.O. Chidambaram தான் started the first Indian shipping company. ஏன்னா அது வரைக்கும் பிரிட்டிஷர்ஸோட ஷிப்பில் தான் நம்ம ட்ரேடோ பிஸ்னஸ் எல்லாமே அவங்க ஷிப் மூலமாக தான் நம்ம மூவ் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தோம். But V.O. Chidambaram is the first Indian who started the shipping company. And the shipping company name was called Swadeshi Shipping Company. What is the name? Swadeshi Shipping Company. Swadeshi Shipping Company was the first Indian shipping company. First Indian shipping company. So, this was started by who? V.O. Chidambaram. So, V.O. Chidambaram. VOC, otherwise he known as the, that's why he known as the Kappalottiya Tamilan. What is his name? Kappalottiya Tamilan. First Indian to start a shipping company. Kappalottiya Tamilan அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு இவருக்கு ஒரு அடைமொழி உண்டு. ஓகேயா? So Swadeshi Shipping Company, first Indian shipping company, and this was started by the V.O. Chidambaram, and that's why he called as a Kappalottiya Tamilan. Yes, mom, V.O. Chidambaram gained popularity. So ரொம்ப என்ன சொல்கிறது, பாப்புலாரிட்டி மீன்ஸ் ரொம்ப மற்றவங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சவங்களாக இருந்தாங்க. கூடிய சீக்கிரத்தில் எல்லாராலையும் கவரப்பட்டவர். Many people started to follow him, which worried the British people. So what happened? British peopleக்கு started worrying. ஐயோ எல்லாரும் வந்து பீப்புள் எல்லாம் அவர் பக்கம் போய் அந்த ஷிப்பிங்கில் they give the business trade, and hence the British sent V.O. Chidambaram to jail. அதனால் என்ன பண்ணாங்க, they put something and they sent him to the jail. வள்ளிநாயகம் உலகநாதன் சிதம்பரம், only known as the V.O. சிதம்பரம். ஸோ அந்த விஓக்கு என்ன பேருன்னா வள்ளிநாயகன் உலகநாதன் சிதம்பரம், known as V.O. சிதம்பரம், and started the Swadeshi steam shipping between Tuticorin and Colombo against the British people. ஸோ அந்த V.O. சிதம்பரத்துக்கு வள்ளிநாயகம் உலகநாதன் சிதம்பரம். ஓகே, say again, வள்ளிநாயகம் Ulaganathan Chidambaram, and known as V.O. Chidambaram, and he started a Swadeshi steam shipping between Tuticorin and Colombo against British ships. Okay, against the Britishers they started the steam shipping between Tuticorin and Colombo. Okay, mother, you are right. Though he was in jail, he continued to fight for India's independence. So even though he is in jail, V.O. Chidambaram, he continued to start a fight for the Indians' independence. His patriotism inspires many people even today also. So V.O. Chidambaram's that patriotism inspires today also, even the people believing that. Yes, mom. Then I learned about the Chempaka Raman. So another man is freedom fighter is Chempaka Raman. Okay, children, thank you. We will see this continue in the next class.